Krishna's clever conditions. Lord Krishna heard Duryodhan and Arjun's plea for his help for Mahabharat war. He proposed, "I will not fight in this war, but I am willing to give my mighty army, Narayani Sena. You both will have to choose between me and my army." Duryodhan chose Lord Krishna's army and Arjun chose Lord Krishna. When Duryodhan left, Krishna scolded Arjun. "You are so foolish. Duryodhan cleverly took my mighty army and you are asking for me? I am going to sit idle in the war." "I am as good as nothing," Arjun replied. "But you are everything for me, my lord." Against the wishes of his counselors, Lord Krishna gave his army to Duryodhan. Then he promised to fight on behalf of the Pandavas, but he made it sound as innocent as possible. He said, "I will only be Arjun's charioteer. I will not take up arms." Duryodhan made a fatal mistake again. He underestimated Lord Krishna and agreed to his clever conditions. Duryodhan's brilliant plan. Lord Krishna is considered one of the chief masterminds of the great Kurukshetra or Mahabharat war. After he had manipulated Bhishma to insult Karna, Karna vowed not to enter the war till Bhishma died. Thus Krishna made sure that the Pandavas were free of the terror of Karna for the first few days of the war. During the war, Bhishma was appointed the commander in charge from the Kauravas side. However, Duryodhan was very angry that Bhishma had not managed to kill any Pandavas. In fact, he wanted his best friend Karna to be in charge. So, he came up with a plan. "All 5 brothers are still alive even though you are in charge. You are biased towards them," he shouted at Bhishma. This hurt Bhishma and he vowed, "By tomorrow evening, none of the Pandavas will be alive. If not, I will quit fighting." Thus Duryodhan's brilliant plan to get rid of Bhishma or the Pandavas worked. Lord Krishna's disguise. As per Duryodhan's plan, it was a win-win situation for him. Either the Pandavas would be eliminated for good or his dearest friend Karna would take charge of the Kaurav army. No one knew about Bhishma's vow except Lord Krishna. He explained everything to Pandavas' wife Draupadi and worked out a plan with her. Krishna disguised as servant and went with Draupadi to Bhishma's tent. He had taught her exactly what to say and when. Draupadi went into the tent and Lord Krishna remained outside. Bhishma was meditating when Draupadi touched his feet and asked for blessing. Without realizing it was Draupadi, Bhishma blessed, "Saubhagyavati Bhava, may you remain married throughout your life." When Bhishma opened his eyes, he was shocked. "Why are you here at this late hour? Who brought you here?" he asked Draupadi angrily. Poor Draupadi lied, "I have come here with my servant." Immediately Bhishma guessed that was Lord Krishna's doing. Bhishma's vow averted. Bhishma ran out of his tent to meet Lord Krishna. He asked the guard about the servant. The guard proudly said, "I kicked him and did not let him come in." Bhishma thought, "You fool, you have no idea whom you have kicked." Seeing Lord Krishna disguised as a servant, Bhishma went to him and touched his feet. The guard was surprised at this. After they were inside the tent, Bhishma asked, "Lord Krishna, why did you do this?" Lord Krishna said, "Your vow, none of the Pandavas will be alive by tomorrow evening, has forced me to do this." This was the only way to protect the Pandavas from the great warrior Bhishma. Bhishma was amazed at this. He thought how cleverly he has avoided the biggest disaster on the Pandavas. Thus Lord Krishna, who knew the power of Bhishma's vow, came up with the only possible way to save the Pandavas. Lord Krishna influences Arjun. During the Kurukshetra war, Arjun refused to take up arms against the Kauravas. Though he was a brave warrior, yet he was confused with a moral dilemma about fighting against his own family. Arjun expressed his hesitation about fighting against the people who had raised, nurtured and taught him. He meant his grandfather Bhishma and his guru Drona. Lord Krishna said, "During the great war, there will be killing and immense losses on both sides. I understand your love and respect for Bhishma and Drona. They are noble men, but they have sided with Adharma by not protesting against injustice to you, Pandavas. In a war, there are no relations, but before the war, there were relations. But Bhishma and Drona did not exercise their seniority and authority against injustice." Lord Krishna was not just Arjun's charioteer, he used his power of words to influence Arjun, who felt dejected and depressed on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.